All right, an experiment on how to draw the magnetic field lines. There are two experiments that you can do. The first one is all you need to do is place a plain paper on top of the magnet. Okay, so you have the magnet down, you put a plain paper on top, then you sprinkle the iron filings evenly on the paper. So what happens is you are going to tap the paper gently and sketch the pattern that you see. So what you are going to see is a pattern that will appear like round, like on a plain paper. So that's a pattern that you draw. So that is the first method that you can do if you want to know how the magnetic field lines are drawn. Okay. Then another method is this one, which is method 2. What you only do is place the bar magnet on a plain paper. Then when you do it, you are going to trace that magnet on a plain paper. For example, you trace like this on a plain paper. Then what you are going to do is now place a plotting compass. You, for example, starting from North Pole, at A, B, C. So at A, you are going to put a plotting compass. Then you are going to put a point where the head of the plotting compass is facing. So usually the head is the north. So you put a point here. Again, you go at B, you put a point. Again, you go at C, you put a point. You move until you go to the far end. Again, you move into another line. You go like that again. Again, another line. You can draw about maybe 4 lines on top. Then you again you change again 4 lines down there. So something that is going to appear is something that will come out like this. So you can just indicate the arrows to show the magnetic field lines. But remember that magnetic field lines always move from north to south pole. So you are going to draw that arrangement. That's what you are going to do. Now, we want to go further and look at the properties of iron and steel as magnetic materials. Now, what you should know is that in most appliances, they use iron for magnet. And the reason is iron is easy to magnetize than steel. And it can also be easily demagnetized than steel. So for example, iron is a soft material, but steel is a hard material. One difference between iron and steel. The second difference is iron is easy to magnetize. The other word for easy magnetize is susceptibility. And then steel takes time. It is not easily magnetized. Then when you look at iron, iron easily loses its magnetism, but still retains magnetism. It does not easily lose magnetism. And this is the reason why iron is used as a temporary magnet, but steel is used as a permanent magnet. And in most appliances, steel is used in AC and DC motors. But iron is used in transformers, audio, video tapes. That's what you should know. Now, the use of magnet in our everyday lives, generally, they are used in compass, they are used in magnetic door catches, they are used in loudspeakers, they are used in electrical motors, they are used in electric meters. So this is what you should know about the difference between iron and steel as the magnetic materials.